students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So students, in this class, once again we are going to do some problems or similar kind from trigonometric identities. Let us solve them. Okay, the first problem would be cos power 4a minus cos square a is equal to sin power 4a minus sin square a. Means we need to show that cos power 4a minus cos square a is equal to sin power 4a minus sin square a. And then after here we need to show that cot power 4a minus 1 is equal to cosecant power 4a minus 2 cosecant square a. And here also we need to show some other result. So first of all, let us start with this. Now take LHS part in this. Okay, what is the LHS part? Cos power 4a minus cos square a. Let us take LHS, that is cos power 4a minus cos square a. Okay, now just do only one thing, that here in both the terms what is common? Here cos square a is a common factor of both the terms or not? Let us take common, means take that out. So what happens? Cos square a was took out. Now what is left over inside? Cos square a minus 1. Okay, right. So here now let us write down. So here let us consider once again the trigonometric identity, what it is? Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, right? Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. This is a basic trigonometric identity. From this, how can we write this cos square a? We can write this cos square a as C, put cos square a on this side and take the sin square a to another side of the equation, then its symbols get changes. So plus sin square a minus converts to minus sin square a, right? Okay, we need to put we can replace this cos square a with 1 minus sin square a or not? Exactly. So we can replace this one cos square a with 1 minus sin square a. Just write it down. Write down cos square a as it is into, here cos square a can be written as what? 1 minus sin square a. From the basic trigonometric identity, we write this cos square a as 1 minus sin square a. Now put minus 1 here. Write down minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 are cancelled. Okay, now just see here again, how can we write this cos square a here? Again 1 minus sin square a we can put here or not? We can replace this cos square a with 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so 1 minus sin square a into, this is minus sin square a. Okay, this is minus sin square a. So minus sin square a into plus 1, that would be minus sin square a. Minus sin square a into plus sin square a. Sorry, minus sin square a into minus sin square a. Minus into minus would be plus. Sin square a into sin square a would be sin power 4a. So I think we obtained our result. That's it. So here sin to the power of 4a minus sin square a, which is your required RHS. So we could obtain like this. It's a very small problem. Okay, I think you understood this. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? Cot power 4a. Minus 1. Cot power 4a minus 1 can be written as what? So just see. Cot power 4a can be written as, see, write this cot power 4a as cot square a to that whole square or not? I wrote cot power 4a as cot square a whole square. minus 1 can be written as 1 square or not? Exactly. Now if you consider this cot square A as some A and 1 as B, then this is in the form of what? A square minus B square. So can we split this expression into A plus B into A minus B or not? Exactly, we can split this into A plus B into A minus B. So this is A, means it can be further split to A means cot square A. Okay, B will be plus 1 into cot square A minus 1. Cot square A minus 1 means this A square minus B square can be splitted to A plus B into A minus B. Right. Next, further do this. See here. Anyhow, what is our target? We need to convert each and every result in terms of cosecant square theta, right? So anyways, so just see here, let us use the result of second identity, means third identity. What is that? Cosecant square A theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Let us use this identity over here to solve this expression. How to solve it? Just tell me. Now you need to convert this cot square terms, see cot terms into cosecant terms. Then better you do one thing. This cot square theta should be sent to other side, and this one should be sent to this side. Then what happens? Cosecant square theta, this plus 1 becomes minus 1 coming to this side, is equal to minus cot square theta on going that side, it becomes plus cot square theta. So wherever you wrote cot square theta, that can be replaced by cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. From this identity we converted like this. Okay, anyways, so now put cosecant square theta minus 1 at for every cot square theta. Okay, so cot square A is equal to what? Cosecant square A minus 1. Write down cosecant square A minus 1. So value of cot square A is written like this, and here 1 plus 1 is also there. Okay, once again I am telling you, in place of cot square A we wrote cosecant square A minus 1. I mean we have substituted this value. Okay, and already 1 is existing over there, that is plus 1. Okay, now here also we can write this or not. Okay, cot square A can be replaced by once again cosecant square A minus 1. So here cosecant square A minus 1. Okay, this value is cosecant square A minus 1, and minus 1 is already there. Okay, now simplify. Here minus 1 plus 1 is getting cancelled. Now what is left over? Cosecant square A into cosecant square A minus, this is what? Minus 1 and minus 1 added together to get minus 2. So here now this should be multiplied with these two terms. Multiply cosecant square A with cosecant square A to get cosecant power 4A, and cosecant square A with the 2, this is minus symbol, minus 2 into cosecant square A. Now I think we obtained our next result also. So here we obtained our RHS part. So this would be our RHS, hence we proved it. Here sin power 4a plus cos power 4a. We need to write something here. Okay. Here sin power 4a means let us take LHS part of that. What is that? Sin power 4a plus cos power 4a. We took it. Let us rewrite them as see, sin power 4a can be written as what? Sin square a to that whole square, and here plus cos square a whole square. Means sin power 4a can be written as sin square a whole square, and cos power 4a can be written as cos square a whole square. Okay. Now tell me, if you consider sine square A as A and cos square A as B, then is it in the form of A square plus B square or not? Exactly, this is in the form of A square plus B square. Just let me remind you the algebraic identity. A plus B whole square equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Is it correct or not? Now, if you replace this 2AB to another side of the equation, then what happens? A plus B whole square, okay, minus 2AB is equal to what? A square plus B square. Got it? A square plus B square. So, how can we write this? A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Okay. So, from this algebraic identity, just we have transformed, I mean we sent this 2AB to another side. Then we got A square plus B square value. Similarly, we considered sin square A as A and cos square A as B. Then how can we write this? A plus B whole square. A square plus B square can be written as A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? Sin square A plus cos square A whole square or not? Because sin square A is A and cos square A is B, then A plus B whole square, okay, minus what? 2AB. What is that? 2 into sin square A into cos square A or not? Sin square A into cos square A, right? Here this is in the form of A square plus B square, where A is sin square A and B is sin square cos square A. Okay, A is sin square A and B is cos square A. Then this expression is written in the form of A square plus B square. From the basic identities, A square plus B square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So, A square plus B square means here A plus B whole square means what is that A plus B whole square? A is sin square A, B is cos square A, to that whole square minus 2AB means 2 into A is sin square A, B is cos square A, right? Here I will highlight this with another color so that it can be identified to you, right? See here, is this trigonometric identity or not? So, this is trigonometric identity. What is that? Sin square A plus cos square A. And value of this would be how much? 1. That is 1 square. Value of this would be 1 square minus what? 2 sin square A cos square A. Okay, 2 sin square A cos square A. That means 1 square is 1 itself, no? 1 minus 2 sin square A cos square A. So, I think we obtained our required answer, which is RHS part. So, we obtained RHS here also.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.